To find the centre and the radius of the circle whose equation is 3x squared minus 6x plus 3y squared plus 12y plus 9 equals 0, we'll begin by dividing through by 3 because all the terms have a common factor of 3. So we'll indicate that's what we're doing there. So that will leave us x squared minus 2x plus y squared plus 4y plus 3 equals 0. From there we complete the square for the x terms and then the y terms. To complete the square we set out a squared bracket with x at the front. We look at the minus 2x and halve that coefficient to give us minus 1, and then we subtract 1 squared from the bracket, so that's just 1. Then we add a bracket squared to complete the square for the y terms. We look at the plus 4y and halve that, halve the coefficient, so we get plus 2. We subtract from that bracket 2 squared, which is 4, and then we've got the plus 3 at the end, and that is equal to 0. We'll collect the number terms to the right hand side, which means on the left we'll just have the x and y brackets. So we've got x minus 1 all squared plus y plus 2 all squared. Negative 1 and negative 4 is negative 5. Negative 5 add 3 is negative 2. Add 2 to both sides gives us that. So from here we can see that the centre is at 1, 2 because the x value is negative 1 with the sign changed to positive 1. The y value is is negative 2, having changed the sign from positive 2. The radius is the square root of the number term, the positive square root, which is root 2, and if we want to quote that as a decimal, then it's the square root of 2, which to 2 places is 1.41. So to finish, the centre of the circle is 1, negative 2, and the radius is root 2, or 1.41 to 2 places.